These are ready to be harvested here. Some of the big Mongolian giants are ready to be harvested. Well, we're going to dry them out. Get rid of the plants, put some new stuff in. There's still plenty of time to keep things growing the rest of the summer. Nice and big. All the ray flowers on the outside, and then all these little ones on the inside with the seeds underneath there. See that? Each one of these comes right off, revealing the seeds. Nice. I'm going to take these down today and dry them out. These are awesome. Very nice. Here they come, timber. Couple more big Mongolian giants on the side that are ready to come down. And put them in the garage and let them dry out. But these are awful big. Nice. For today's harvest, we got 7 of these large sunflowers. That's a good one. And we're going to dry these out and either eat them for seeds or save some for replanting. But the ray flowers are all these bright ones around the outside, and then each one of the seeds has a little flower right on the end, and you just knock those off and there's the seeds underneath. Oh, that's awesome. Lots of sunflower seeds here. All right. Yes, bam. There's all the seeds. Ready to dry them out for a few weeks, and then we can roast some and harvest some seeds for our stock. Today's harvest, we got 7 of these big sunflowers and good sized seeds on them. Awesome. Have a great day.